Cut, copy, and paste are probably some of the most frequently used functions across the computing world and are particularly useful in the Excel environment. When applied to cells that have formula though, one needs to be aware of how the cut and copy functions differ from each other. When copying and pasting a formula, the cell reference changes to be relevant to the new location of the pasted formula. So, for example, if I take a look at this formula here, it's currently multiplying cells B2 and C2 together. If I had to go and copy that cell, which has the formula behind it, and paste it into its new location, it now becomes relevant to its new location. So in effect, you can think of the formula as being multiplying the two cells that are directly to its left, and when I copy that formula to a new location, it does exactly that. Those two new cells now happen to be B4 and C4, and my formula changes accordingly. If I had to do a cut and paste though, it behaves somewhat differently. So reselect that same formula, select cut, right click in its new location, select paste. The cell still references the original two cells where the formula was originally created. And so in effect what it's done is it's actually moved the formula and will obviously take with it its same answer and result, and still reference the original two cells. And that there is the difference between a cut and a copy of a cell which has a formula behind it.